Jacob Zuma, the president, survived an impeachment motion within his own party, ANC, this week. And next week, as he returns, like Dr. Masanga put it, from Cuba, is going to face or meet another petition. What do you suppose? An impeachment motion?
What I suppose is that let's just wait for Tuesday and see what will happen, because at least he was able to survive the vote of no confidence, which the ANC was shaken because we thought maybe Zuma would lose, but now something happened, a new thing happened. It's just like the Trump win. So let's wait and see next week what will happen. But another thing is I want to comment about what you're saying about African countries. We've seen a lot of divide and rule playing out in Africa.
Yeah.
For example, as Dr. is saying, we can see it with Rwanda and Burundi.
Yeah.
We've also seen it in Nigeria, whereby the eastern part of Nigeria wanted to break out from Nigeria, which is, would have caused the Biafra War.
Biafran War,
So I think it's about African leaders and African countries uniting and fighting against this motion of breaking away from
mention it. That one is the same country.
Yeah.
You know the same country that divided Nigeria? Is Total and the Shell BP.
Yes.
Yes. Total, the French were on the side of Goan and the others.
Yes.
And then Biafra was Shell BP. It is the French who brought the fuel in Biafran War. Hello? Where?
So we should kill this motion of divide and rule in Africa. It starts with our leaders now, our African leaders. This issue of we want to break away with the eastern part of this country, we want to be independent, should be stopped, and we should refuse to be used by these leaders.
Yes.
We have to refuse as Africa. Yeah. So
Thank you so much, Lina Adhiambo, senior presenter, Punchline Africa TV, Dr. David Masanga, conflict resolution expert, political analyst, founder, chairperson, Punchline Africa TV. Thank you so much for your analysis and insight on this topic, Gambia election, Ghana, of course, election which will be happening on 7th of December. You've also touched on Morocco, South Africa, as well as Rwanda. Thank you so much for your insight and input on this show, The Punch Call. I want also to take this opportunity to thank our viewer, anyone who has called us, send us your views, comments, and liked our page. Continue watching Punchline Africa TV. Of course, our hotline number scrolling at the bottom of your screen, +254 795 638 That is our hotline number. Also, like our page at Punchline Africa TV. That is our Facebook page. #PATV. Continue with the conversation at Tawish87, my Twitter handle, at Lena_Adhiambo, at Masanga Doctor.
I have only one thing that I want to thank the people of Gambia and the people all over the whole world. Yesterday was a marvelous, fantastic day for this station. And as a result of that, we want to thank all the people, those who went down quick on our page. We had over 70,000, people within 4 hours. Up to today, the number is rising.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Only on Gambia. So imagine on Ghana next week, we might have 1 million people coming. Keep on coming. Don't go and look. You see why they came too many? Because most of those in Europe now know this television station. If you have anything useful, call us. Put on your Skype. Put on your phone. Tell us, we shall reach you. And we have other sister in January. We shall have sister, organization in London to transmit our content into the entire world through America, through South in Australia. So thank you very much, all of you, on behalf of the television, the presenters, the people who have researched. Thank you. And those callers who have spent their money. This is your station in Africa.
Yeah.
This is your station, has both London and Africa. So we are best all over the whole world.
Yeah.
So thank you very much. Keep on watching, like our page as Tawisha said, and enjoy.
Yeah.
Call, send us comments. Don't wait for elections only. Keep on. There is very good music on our line. Very nice African music. As you wait for these results coming sweeter, the game is becoming sweet and sweet, sweet and sweet.
Okay.
Enjoy that music. Don't go for Recheru is here. Franco is here. Cameroon is here. Gambian music is there. Of all of them, West African, we play all of them. Just want to wish you a good weekend.
Thank you, of course, for watching. Continue watching Punchline Africa TV. We continue to bring you the rest of our programming and also take this earliest opportunity to wish you a Merry Christmas during this festive season and a New Year 2017. Gambia, we will continue to update you results as they continue to come in, and also as and when the electoral body of Gambia gives us the official results of who exactly would have won that election, we will continue to update you. And also Ghana, be watching. We will be bringing you that analysis on Ghana elections beginning 7th of this month. Continue watching. My name is Samuel Tawish. Do have a lovely weekend. Goodbye.
Goodbye.